Hi, I'm Justin, professional dryer vent cleaner, and in this video I want to share with you the most common reasons why dryer vents get clogged. These are the reasons when customers can't use their dryer, they're going to the laundromat, they tried everything, takes 3 or 4 cycles to dry the clothes, and the number one reason is going to be a roof clog or an exit vent clog. So depending on where you live, your dryer vent either goes out the side of your house, or where I live in Florida, most of them go to the roof. And a lot of times it's hard to access them. And then people may hire other companies, but those other companies don't go on the roof. And then when I go on the roof, I see that it's completely clogged. Uh, by two things. Number one is it's simply just clogged with a huge piece of lint. If you use your dryer for years and years and never clean the roof vent, eventually the lint will get stuck to the edge and keep building up until no air comes out. I see this a couple times every day. And then as soon as I remove that, the dryer starts flowing again. Another thing I see a lot here is there's a screen. So a lot of the dryer vents, when they install them, they come with a screen right over the opening, and this is fine for a kitchen exhaust, a bathroom exhaust where there's no lint, but with a dryer vent, it'll get clogged up within a couple of months. And I see this a lot when people have new built house. They'll say, we just moved into a brand new house, dryer was working fine, and then a couple months later, it's not working at all. And that's because the screen was up there, and once the last piece clogged the whole opening of the screen, now they can't use their dryer. Another one is the inside of the dryer. A lot of people think you only have to clean the vent, but if you don't clean the inside of the dryer, depending on what type of dryer it is, it could be in the lint tray, it could be in the back of the machine. But if it starts getting clogged, then the fan's not going to pull the air and you won't get a lot of airflow and your clothes won't dry. So you should get your dryer vent cleaned every year, but also get the inside of your dryer cleaned as well. Next is going to be the actual vent. Sometimes the vent is just completely filled with stuff to the point where there's no airflow. So definitely check your vent. Another thing is going to be in the attic. If your vent goes through your attic, a lot of times, sometimes the AC people are up there or someone's up there and they'll step on the vent, disconnect the vent somehow. There's lint blowing all throughout the attic. This could be super dangerous. Sometimes they don't even make a hole in the roof for the vent to come out. And then this is scary because the dryer will work sometimes if it's cool out, but if it's the middle of the summer and it's really hot in the attic, you won't get a temperature difference and the water will not evaporate and your clothes will not dry. So here are the things to check if you think your dryer vent is clogged. Number one is find out where it lets out and either check it yourself or have a professionally safely check it if it's on your roof or somewhere that's hard to access. Next, open up your machine, look through it, see if there's anything clogging it. Check the vent, make sure that the vent is cleaned out regularly. And if your vent goes in the attic, try to check in the attic at least once a year to see that everything is still connected properly. And if you want to see how to clean your dryer vent, check out this video over here. Thank you.